అంటే అఖిల్‌కి, అభిజిత్‌కి గొడవ అవ్వడానికి, మాట్లాడకపోవడానికి కారణం మోనాల్ అనిపించినప్పుడు ఎలా ఫీల్ అయ్యారు?
I think that's
Reason-
wrong.
reason.
That's completely wrong. They're both individual decision. Okay, I think I remember ఒకసారి నాగార్జున సార్ చెప్పాను హారికని కి హారిక ప్లీజ్ మీరు కామన్ ఫ్రెండ్ కదా సో ఒకసారి కలిసి బట్ ఐ డోంట్ నో ఫ్రమ్ తన సైడ్ ఎఫర్ట్ అయింది లేదు from my side, I always tried, Abhijit also, when I was talking to Abhijit in the beginning, I told him to go and say sorry to Akhil and try to talk to him. And he did that. Even Akhil tried to talk to him. But I think somewhere of others, nomination tarvata they have like bad timing. Nomination ante, Akhil can't take it and I think Abhijit also can't take it. So they have their own reason to nominate each other, but I don't know, my name always get dragged in between. Actually, if you see, there is no fight because of me,
yes.
But it showed in a way like, I was the devil in the house. I don't know why.
అలా ఎవరైనా ఏదైనా చెప్పగానే మీరు దానికి కూడా ఏడ్చేసేవాళ్ళు కదా?
అయ్యో బట్ see ఇప్పుడు for explanation నేను కొంచెం 2-3 సెంటెన్స్ ఇంగ్లీష్లో యూజ్ చేస్తుంది. ఇన్ హౌస్ భయపడుతున్నాను ఇప్పుడు అనౌన్స్మెంట్ వస్తుంది
బయటకు వచ్చాక ఇప్పుడు కూడా కొంచెం ఉందా ఇంకా బిగ్
ఇప్పుడు నార్మల్ గా వస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు బిగ్ బాస్ కి అవసరం లేదు ఇట్స్ ఈజీగా తెలుగు వస్తుంది ఈవెన్ ఐ రిమెంబర్ మై కాగజ్ మూవీ ఇంటర్వ్యూలో ఏమైంది అంటే తెలుసు అలా సమ్ వర్డ్ తో తెలుగులో వస్తుంది అండ్ దెన్ ఐ హావ్ టు కంట్రోల్ ఆన్ మై లాంగ్వేజ్ అండ్ ఐ హావ్ టు స్పీక్ ఇన్ హిందీ. So it's like my mind has to work so fast to make have a proper Hindi or English, Gujarati. Baita vachi tarvata I was talking to and all team. So I was talking to Raghu garu, Telugu lo maatladundini. Tabby don't know Telugu. So I was talking like idi jarigindi tarvata Raghu garu is like, "Monal Tabby don't know Telugu." And I was like, yeah, one sentence again in English, tarvata malli Telugu. She was super impressed, like, oh my god, you're talking too much in Telugu. I said, my mind is set to speak in Telugu.
యా బాలీవుడ్ మూవీలో యాక్ట్ చేశారు కదా, ఆ ఆఫర్ ఎలా వచ్చిందంటే అది బిగ్ బాస్ కి ముందే చేశారా?
Yeah, we shot this movie in 2019.
2019.
It's supposed to release in 2020 because of corona valla it's koncham late ayindi.
యా, అందులో మీ రోల్ ఏంటి?
So I'm playing, it's basically a movie peru Kagas. It's produced by Salman Khan Films, directed by Satish Kaushik. I'm playing opposite Pankaj Tripathi. I'm playing a Rukmani character. And Pankaj Tripathi's character peru is Bharatlal. He's a band baja wala person. So tana wife Korika ante koncham pedda business expand cheyali, get a few people on board, pedda shop cheyi, koncham investment cheyali the instrument lo and all. సో తన కోసం లోన్ కోసం వెళ్తాను. లోన్ లేనే ప్రాబ్లం నయ్యే అట్లా చెప్పి హీస్ గోయింగ్. సో లోన్ కోసం సంథింగ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు పుట్ యాజ్ వాట్ యు సే
ప్రూఫ్ లైక్
యా. సో తన కోసం ఏం ఉంది అలా అడిగాను బ్యాంక్. సో ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఐ హ్యావ్ ల్యాండ్ ఇన్ ద విలేజ్. సో ఈస్ గోయింగ్ ఇన్ ద విలేజ్ అండ్ వెన్ హీ కమ్ టు నో తన అంకల్ వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీ Jameen they took it, land they took it, and they wrote it he's died, atla, but he's alive. So he's like, I'm alive. So but nobody believe once paper is done. Yeah. So then fight system to fight, corruption to fight. 18 years it took to get his name back on paper. It's a real story. Yeah. So tanto paatu tan family.
It's a real story.
It's a real story. And there is more than 34,000 people on Uttar Pradesh in India also who are dead on paper.
They're alive and
they are
dead on
paper. Yes.
Okay, real incident మీద బేస్ చేసి తీసిన మూవీ.
And so who's that person has actually fought election opposite Rajiv Gandhi that time. So it's a story of 77. He got his name back on 94 or something. So it's a real story. So I'm playing Rukmani, than wife character నేను ప్లే చేస్తుంది. అమేజింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, అమేజింగ్ స్టోరీ. ఇట్స్ 7 Jan రిలీజ్ అయింది అండ్ వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ రియలీ గుడ్ రెస్పాన్స్. ఈ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఎలా వచ్చింది? 2015 గౌరవంతా గుజరాతీ అవార్డ్ ఇన్ అహ్మదాబాద్ జరిగింది ఒక ఫంక్షన్. ఈ ఫంక్షన్లో ఎవరితో గుజరాతీ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ స్టేట్ వెళ్ళి ఒక మంచి పేరు చేస్తాను, తనకి సన్మానం కోసం ఈ అవార్డ్.
యా
ఇట్స్ ప్రైడ్ ఆఫ్ గుజరాత్ లాగా. సో I was one of the, what you say, nominated person for that award. Satish Kaushik there was as a host, guest of the honor.
ఓకే.
And he said, I saw your Sudigadu movie. And I was shocked. Exactly. I was like, So, and I really like your work. And I was like, because I know Satish sir as like he's a very big director and very good actor. And I did Telugu movie in 2012. We met in 2015. Still tan గుర్తుంది.
గుర్తుపెట్టుకున్నాడు.
అంటే నా మూవీ గురించి అంటే ఇట్స్ బిగ్ థింగ్. ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఒక డే ఐ విల్ టేక్ యూ నా మూవీలో పక్కా. అండ్ ఐ టుక్ ఇట్ అంటే లైక్ అవార్డ్ ఫంక్షన్లో యూ మీట్ డైరెక్టర్ అండ్ దే విల్ సే ఇట్ లైక్ దిస్
అలా ఇచ్చేస్తారు కదా.
బట్ 2018 Satish sir messaged me on Facebook. He found out my page and he messaged me saying, hi, this is Satish Kaushik. Monal, I'm trying to reach you. I'm not getting your number. Do you know Marathi? I'm doing one Marathi project. If you like to try.
How did you feel after seeing that?
I was like, first I got in the profile. Is it real or wrong? I don't know. First, it's nijam. And see, if I'm messaging my friend, if I'm replying back, they feel the same. Arey, it's nijam or wrong? At last, I was like, okay. So I took it like, I messaged sir, yes, I love to try, but I'm in Ahmedabad. If I'm coming to Mumbai, I will like to be in touch. 2 months tarvata, I went to Bombay. I thought, let me try. Maybe that opportunity is there or not, naku telidu. Then I message chesanu, sir, I'm in Mumbai and I like to give audition. Arey, come, audition is going on. You can also give a take atla. I was like, sir, I'm not in dressed up. It's like, it's okay. I just want some expression
Facial
only.
expressions and all.
I was like, okay. I went. He given me his phone number, not landline number. So it was again shocking for me. Ki Satish sir given me a mobile number. I went in the office and very big office, Satish sir's, and like there was a writer, Imranji, who wrote the story. And it's like, she's Monal, she worked in so many Telugu movies, she did Gujarati movie, then Reva movie chala baagundi atla chepparu. And I was like, sir, na gurinchi ఎక్కువ తెలుసు. I mean, like, I have to tell, otherwise,
మీ గురించి మీ మొత్తం డీటెయిల్స్ తీసుకున్నారు.
So I was like super surprised. I was like, Monal, next room mein audition chal raha hai. He told me the story atla undi. So you give me your shot there. I given my shot. Okay, time, second. No dialogues, just expression, like so kallulo pain kavali, because the girl character I was playing, she was a rape victim. So tan face lo asal smile ledu. She is like carrying so much weight, like
మీకు ఏడుపు ఈజీగానే వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా.
I think I saw enough in my life. I struggled so much in my past life after my father passed away. Okay. So I know that what I'm carrying inside, and I'm fighting what I'm fighting. So yeah, I do have that part of me who's very sensitive. So I given a take and sir was super happy. Everybody has okate doubt ante Monallo Marathi radu, and this is very subjective movie. So language command kavali. 1 month I worked on Marathi. I can read Marathi. I can speak Marathi.
My God.
Yeah, and
Telugu laga adi kuda
12 to 6, like 11 or 12, I used to go to office till 6 o'clock. I used to listen Marathi stories. Maku oka teacher undi Marathi kosam. She taught me so well, and so we were they took one just pilot shoot laga shoot chesanu. I can't speak the dialogue because I don't know. My team was not having enough confidence on me. Only Satish sir believed me. So somewhere I feel like it's not coming, and everybody is having like, array, we are taking risk at line. First day, cut to first day, Kumli. We are shooting in next to Goa, 90 km far. There is one place, Kudal. So we are shooting there. First day, first take. My director, everybody was super happy. Was my co-star was Marathi. He was not able to deliver, and I was able to deliver. So. And my team was super happy to take me for that project. I think that was my testing. Satish sir given me a Marathi project. Enduku he want to see he knows I'm a good performer, but like that's own experience kavali kada. So he took this Manu Dhanwara movie as my exam, and ఈ మూవీ ఫినిష్ అయింది తర్వాత తొందరగా he offered me Kaagaz. So Kaagaz was ready for me, but he was waiting for this to finish.